Chapter 4, Fractions, 4.10, Subtraction of Like Fractions.
Let us look at a question. 9 by 11 minus 6 by 11. So what is a like fraction? Like fractions have the same denominator. Here, the two fractions being operated on are like fractions. How will 9 by 11 visually look like? It can be represented as 9 out of 11 boxes shaded. To subtract like fractions, just subtract the numerators, keeping the denominator the same. Here, we do the subtraction 9 minus 6, keeping the denominator, 11, the same. So we get 3 by 11. Let us solve the same question visually. The fraction 9 by 11 looks something like this. We have shaded 9 out of 11 boxes. To subtract 6 by 11, we erase 6 of the shaded boxes. Now, let us look at the resulting fraction. We have only 3 shaded out of 11. So the answer is 3 by 11. This matches with our initial calculation in numerical workout. Wasn't that easy?